So here's the situation. This is starting to cut or break, and so my honey's scared. She wanted me to replace this. All right, so this, I'm thinking I can replace this hose. So it's very hard to get back behind her to get put on a whole new fixture. And the fixture's good, you know what I mean? But this hose is starting to fray, and she wants to make sure it reaches all the way down. So I purchased this set right here. This is a 67-inch hose, right? Right here. You can see it. And it comes with this kind of, it's plastic. It looks kind of cheap. I don't know if I like it or not. It comes with this head. You can see right there. And then this part here is what goes in this. You screw this in, and then this part screws into this here. You got to make sure that you put it in properly so that you have this O-ring, and I do believe it goes this way. Yeah, so that it, you know, keeps the water from squirting everywhere. And then this other side, see how there's, look at the threads. See, there's very thick threads on one side, and then there's thin threads on the other. And you just got to make sure you get it in there right. Now, it also comes with all of these adapters and this little swivel head deal too that you can put on it, which is basically the same thing you got to use. And it's got a little O-ring on it too. You can see it right there. And it also comes with these little clamps. If you're going to use something like this, if you needed to squish this through there and then put the clamp on, you got that. It comes with this weight, and it comes with two different types of adapters here. You follow me? So now we just have to see if we can make this work with our system. I don't know. We're gonna give it a try here in a second. All right.